Going through some works for my students, I realized one most common challenge that runs through is achieving realistic nose. Precisely, getting the nose to stand out in a 3D form and putting up the right outline to align with the reference when drawing. Now, in this video, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process to draw realistic nose with graphite pencils. I'm Logo. Let's jump right in. Now, these are the graphite pencils we are going to use. HB graphite pencil, 2B, 4B, and 8B graphite pencil. And make sure they are correctly sharpened like this to enable smooth shading. We are going to use these brushes to blend our graphites. A bigger brush to cover large areas, a medium type, and a smaller one as well. Then we have our makeup brush. Now, this is a graphite powder naturally prepared by myself at home. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to do a video on the various ways to prepare your own graphite powder at home. Let's get started. First, create your initial layer with the graphite powder using the makeup brush. As usual, make sure you remove the excess powder from the bristle before applying it. When you are done, use your lightest and hardest graphite pencil, which is in this case HB pencil, to start shading from the darkest area according to your reference. Make sure when you are shading, you don't press too hard on the pencil or it will create a lot of shines in your work. Now, when you are done, use the 2B pencil, which is the second lightest pencil here, to create the third layer. Use the same process, just focus on the dark areas and shade gradually. If you are new to this channel, I help beginners and art lovers grow their talent with simple tutorials. Feel free to type any kind of tutorial you want me to help you with in the comment section. And consider subscribing as well to be part of this family. Try as much as possible to use the side of the leg to shade. Avoid using the tip to shade, or else the shading might not blend smoothly. Now, this is how we hold pencil to shade. We don't hold it like this, or else you will be tempted to shade with the tip, which will not help you to achieve the right results. Hold it this way, or put the pencil in between your two fingers to have total control of the lid. So from today, try to avoid holding your pencil to shade this way if you want to achieve smooth blending. But to me, regardless of how I hold it, I can still shade with the side of the lid due to my experience with the tool. Do me a favor and give me a thumbs up if you are already enjoying this video. Now, first blend the nostrils with the smallest brush and continue to blend with the soft brush gradually. Kindly like this video for me, please. It will help others to also discover this video. Thank you. When you are done, shade the dark areas using the 4B pencil gradually without pressing it too hard on the paper. Okay, now I have a secret to share with you. Make sure you don't tell anyone, but it shouldn't prevent you from sharing the video. I carry God beg you, I beg share am, Pico. Now, anytime I'm about to shade, especially the main features, such as the eyes, nose, lips, and sometimes even the other parts of the face, I mark out the highlights with my pencil. Yes, it helps to preserve the portions for my highlights so that I don't miss them, regardless of the number of layers I apply in that area. So if you look closely to this part of the nose, you'll realize that there is a mark. Yes, that represents the portion for my light. I made that mark during the sketch. You can keep that in your pocket. It will really help you. Now go ahead and create your highlights with your eraser. I'm going to use this eraser. It's called Mono Zero eraser. Some also call it Tombow eraser. It's very good for creating minute realistic details and highlights especially. It literally helped me improve my drawing skills, and I believe it can also help with yours. In case you need one, we have some available. You can reach out to us on the number on your screen and we will deliver to wherever you are. Now go ahead and create your highlights with your eraser. Just look on your reference and try to represent the same light in your drawing. When you are done, blend it slightly with your brush, not too much, and use the 8B pencil to finally reinforce the dark shades. Again, blend it slightly and bring out the highlights once again. This is our final result. If you like this video, kindly hit the red subscribe button on your right for more tips and art, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.